many mistakes. I made them all so you don't have to. But you can if you want to. Let's talk about some big mistakes. Mistakes that you may not even recognize until it's too late. Now, the mistakes I'm about to talk to take less than a second to commit. Some of these mistakes take a lifetime to get out of. Some of them take forever to get out of. Sometimes you don't even get out of these type of mistakes that take less than a second to commit. Famous versus infamous. Let's talk about that. Famous versus infamous. Now, naturally, famous is a title that you receive when you get rewarded for doing good deeds. You get rewarded for being a number one at something. You get rewarded for being the best. Positive rewards. You're seen in a good light. You get trophies. You get medals. You get bonuses. You get fanfare. Now that's the famous side of things. Infamous. Infamous was a word that I really didn't know for years. I probably didn't know the meaning of that word until my 30s. But once I got it, I understood the difference between good and evil. Infamous, well, you get rewarded from doing evil. You get rewarded from crimes. You get rewarded from being a serial killer. You get rewarded from being a scumbag. You get rewarded for being a bully. That brings you the infamous title. And what I'm noticing nowadays is that young folks, it's crazy, but I always say 2 + 2 is 5. Because there's no way 2 + 2 could be 4 and all of this stuff is happening. Some lies, somebody got to be lying. So why I say 2 + 2 is 5 is because you got the young kids out here now that are thirsting for infamy. They're thirsting for an infamous title. An infamous legacy. And I'm trying to understand the psychology behind that. I don't know if this is something that's been put in the air. I don't know if it's in the food. I don't know if it's been deliberate. But I do know that good and evil. I know good and evil. And evil is winning right now. So this morning I woke up and I watched a 16-year-old kid get sentenced to life without parole in prison. He's the kid that shot up the people in Appalachia back in 24. First name is Colt. I don't know his last name, but you can do the research. And Colt made it his mission to become infamous. He wanted to be famous on the front page of the news and talked about. So he had to outdo all the other crazies before him. So how did he go about it? He conspired to do this. He studied other serial killers' history. He studied other school shooters, sentences they received and how they did it. He really dove into that abyss of evil. So I watched his sentencing. And not one emotion did he show. Not one. He sat there in a suit, almost as if I gotta look my best for this moment. This is my moment right here. I killed people, they'll never come back, and this is where I want to be. I'm here now. And believe me, he showed no remorse. Judge sentenced him to life without parole. Everybody adjourns the courtroom. He gets up, they put him in handcuffs, and they walk him to prison. Now, how soon do you think he'll sober up? How soon do you think he'll sober up? And what I mean is, how long do you think it's going to take for him to realize, I fucked up? How long do you think it's going to take for him to realize, I miss my bed, I miss my house, I miss my nagging mother, I miss my deadbeat dad, I miss my annoying sister, my annoying brother? I say he's going to sober up within 24 hours of reaching the prison. That's my prediction. Now, he's sober now. He realizes that this thing is bad. But it's going to take a lifetime for him to correct it. He won't see the concrete anymore. He won't see nature anymore. It's over. But now that he's sober, he realizes this, man, I asked for this, infamy. I will be remembered. I will be remembered as this. And it's happening so often nowadays, I don't know if we're remembering these people after 2-3 months. There's so many of them. So my point is, when you come to making decisions, think twice and act once. Think twice. See it, think about it again. Listen to your heart. It won't lie to you. Listen to it. Don't deny it. If it feels wrong, it's wrong. If it feels right, it's right. And to those of you that are chasing infamy, that are doing whatever it takes for the likes, doing whatever it takes for the gram, let me just tell you something. I know too many people that will never be coming home again. I know too many people that are 6 foot under before they were even 20 years old. Now, hopefully they're in the arms of the Lord in the kingdom. Just imagine if they're not. Imagine where they are. Oh yeah, there's a place for infamous. Yeah, it's hot. Zoom, zoom.
What you know about love?
Man of many mistakes. I made them all so you don't have to, but you can if you want to. If you like the content and it's helping you out in your soul a little bit, subscribe. A lot more to come. Thank you.
Love is love, love is real. Tell me if it's love you feel every time that you sign a deal and the same artist pulls out the steel. It's real, real, real. See, now he's fucked up in the game. Upstate with a brand new name. What's your number? 007649. Whoa. Pumping weights, doing time. Woo! Dedicated to my rap superstar. Dedicated to the ones behind bars. Dedicated to my thug in the streets. What you know about love?
Love is love and love is real. It's not about money or feel.
Huh?
Be obligated to something that you don't want.
Did you hear what she said?
It's time for us to keep it real.
Real.
You and I both know the deal.
Yeah.
Think it's time for us to love one another.
Now love is love.